It's story time, my sweet gigglebugs. Snuggle in close, 'cause today's tale is Rical visits the dentist. Yummy fun ahead. Rical is 5 years old and loves sweets and candies. He munches on jelly beans and lollipops all day long, giggling with joy as wrappers fly around him. His mum reminds him to brush in the morning and before bed. She sings, round and round, up and down, while Rical brushes with a bubbly smile. But one day, Rical held his cheek and frowned. "Ouch, my tooth!" he said. Mum quickly called the dental clinic to book a visit. At the dental hall, a friendly dentist checked Rical's teeth. "You must brush every day," he said. Rical nodded and gave a bright, brave smile. Now let's sing the rhymes and learn the melodies, kids.
This is the AL sound. We all are at the dental place, dental place, dental place. We all are at the dental place for total oral care. We all are at the dental place, dental place, dental place. We all are at the dental place for total oral care. We all are at the dental place, dental place, dental place. We all are at the dental place for total oral care.
Now let's say the words and learn how to speak them, kids. Words like dental, 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 tall, 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 salt, 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 halt, 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 walk, 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 wall, 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 full, full, full,